Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I do freebie videos every now and then, and I thought I would show you some of the freebies I received over the last few weeks. You can receive them too. I'll list down below in the description box all the websites that I got them from. Some of them do require short reviews, but when I say short reviews, I mean a couple of minutes. That's it, and they're online reviews. So first one is from BzzAgent. I have been a BzzAgent probably for 12-15 years, and they recently have shown some interest in sending me products. It was a dry spell for a little while. The only way I get products from them is through email invites. I'll list down below how you can apply to be a BzzAgent. They send you a product with a little card. They want you to buzz about it. Guess what? This is considered buzzing besides the survey that you would do online. And in this one, they sent me a skin rescue mask, and it's by Eve Lone. I haven't buzzed about it yet, but it's still in the packaging. It is 3.3 fluid ounces. Truthfully, I don't even know how much this costs. I'll look it up and post it down below in the description box. But it is a honey-infused Kalone Clean mask, a facial mask that you put on and rinse off. So yeah, this is a score. Who doesn't love beauty products? And then another company that I got a lot of freebies from, and I've talked about it before on my channel, is called Octoly. Octoly is a website, and you go and if something's available, you sign up. They give you a credit system. Now, I don't have 1,000 viewers on my Instagram. 1,000 subscribers on my Instagram or YouTube, because they have a special program for those people. But so anybody can do this. You don't have to be a YouTuber, because I have, obviously under 1,000 subscribers. And this is what I was lucky to get. It is a sunscreen by Supergoop, SPF 30. And this is supposed to be a really sheer product for your face. I'm excited to try it. I have to do my review on Sephora, and hey, I think this product is $38. So again, an awesome freebie. But Octoly, you have to kind of stalk the site to get the freebie. And then I got something from Sampler, and today's Sampler was live, and I got like 4 products on Sampler. Sampler is also Canadian. They do Canadian Sampler, USA Sampler, and I saw this was available. It is by it's Clay de Puy. Alrighty, my French skills are lacking. But it is, just to make a long story short, it is a foaming face cream, and it's really nice. I don't know how much this costs. This is a deluxe sample, but there it is. You take it with you when you go traveling, but seriously, who's traveling these days, right? So when I get back to traveling, I'm gonna go visit my mama soon, so I'll take this. I'll give it to her. She'll love it. She loves when I give her those freebies. And then I've often spoke about SocialNature. SocialNature, I did a whole video on SocialNature. Look in my stuff. I'll try to post it up here. SocialNature, it's like the gift that keeps on giving. They keep giving me freebies. I'll go on, I'll answer a quick survey. I'm getting automatic freebies. It's like a lot of times you have to wait. Either like, we'll contact you later. I've been going on, filling out their quick survey, and right away when I hit enter, they're like, you pre-qualified for this freebie, and they ask me to confirm my shipping address, and I get it. So this one is really good. A lot of times they send coupons, but on this occasion they sent me, it's from Bob's Red Mill. They sent me instant oatmeal packages plus a coupon. So they sent 6 flavors. Classic oatmeal, brown sugar and maple, and apple cinnamon pieces. So yeah, I'm an oatmeal girl. Have it with bananas. It's a quick microwavable, you know, snack. It's so funny. I have 3 sons. 2 of them eat oatmeal. The third, the youngest, the most difficult, like food picky wise difficult, never had an oatmeal in his life. And he's 17. He won't have one to this day. And this is to save $1 on any Bob's Red Mill products. I like Bob's because they're like really, you know, very organic and natural and healthy and made in the United States. So I love them. And then I threw away all the envelopes. These are all from SocialNature. I'll go through it really quickly. This is for free bone broth up to $7.99. This is for free nut clusters by Bakery on Main. See, free. This is up to, I don't know, oh, $7.49. Plus they sent a $1 coupon off. This is actually from Pinch Me, I think. This is a BIU infused water. I think you can get it at Walmart, up to $1.98 value. This is 1 free pouch of Haven's kitchen sauce. And geez, this expense is up to $8.99 for that. You won't catch me spending $8.99 for a little package of sauce. But hey, if it's free, I love going into Whole Foods and walking out with paying nothing, because everything is so expensive at Whole Foods. It's really crazy. This is for broth, free voucher for Ocean's Halo certified organic broths, up to $5.49 for that. And then they gave me a coupon book for buy one get one frees. And then here's a free voucher redeemable at Walmart for salad dressing halos, up to $6.79. Telling you, go to SocialNature. Another coupon book. I mean, these coupon books are 2 pages of coupons of buy one get one free. And if you don't use them, you can just do a good deed and leave them there on the shelf for somebody. So that's SocialNature, the oatmeal and the coupons. And I think I went through everything. Yeah, I sure did. So tell me what you think. Do you like these freebie videos? I haven't done it in a while. Let me know. Give me a comment. Give me a like. Give me a subscribe. I'm almost at 700. I think I'm like 25 away from 700. So that's like, woohoo! Hey, if you're not having fun doing YouTube, don't do it. That's what I always say. I'm still having fun, so I'm still gonna do it. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.